Good thing they're not locusts, because locusts are
yeah.
They look the same, but let me take a picture of you of it. Crazy, look at the ground. Is it all floating and shit? No, I got it. I'm going to go back to the photo.
Here, take another picture. This one's a fighter. Look at him go.
Camera.
Oh, is that one
Christmas?
of those ones from CBS for like $20?
No. I just wanted to have it holds half an hour of footage, and once you put it on the internet right away, it goes back to half an hour. Cameras.
Yeah, they had those.
No, those are the disposable ones.
Oh, really? Shut up.
Yeah, this is a fighter.
In 17 years, we could do it again. I'll be there.
Hold on, give me a sec. Chocolate-covered grasshoppers, I need to just think of that. I've eaten that before, and that was completely fine.
They were dead, Keith.
Covered in chocolate. These ones are live and not covered in chocolate. Well, don't look inside your stomach.
He goes down that far.
Let all the stomach acid just burns out.
Some hot sauce or something, man.
Just fucking eat it, Keith.
What's up in a bowl with some hot sauce?
Just eat it. Just eat it.
No, they probably wouldn't.
Down it. Yeah, pop.
Yeah,
I don't know if I
chew
do
it
it
this way in case you have like
He'd choke on it.
ready to act in your body.
17 years from now, Keith's got a fucking... God!
Things moving around in my skin and shit.
That's fun. It's out right now. Alright, come on, do it.
Just do it, dude. Fucking waste the footage here.
Alright, go.
God, it's so hard to
Close
do.
your eyes. Just close your fucking eyes. Don't think about it. No, you can close
He doesn't want to touch it. Just fucking do it. Go in your mouth regardless of who does it. Come on! Stop stalling, ass.
I'm wasting like, there's like 10 minutes to take it.
Just eat it. Stop. Don't. Please stop. Eat it.
Don't talk.
Yeah. Shush. Oh! Eat it! Eat it!
Eat it!
Eat it!
Come on, dude, do it!
Eat it, Keith! Eat it!
Eat it, Keith! Come on! No,
Just eat it! That was fucking disgusting.
No, the white stuff. Now I'm thinking about it. Why did you spit it out?
I couldn't hold it in.
It's easy to...
Right when that shit popped out and hit my tongue, bro.
It's easy to chew them, but not just actually swallow them.
Oh.